Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out, and it's something that I use, so make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, I want to ask you guys to hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy the content of a creator that's supposedly important on the YouTube platform, YouTube supposedly looks at the amount of thumbs up, and then they might take your video and place it in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet the YouTuber that you're watching just yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Okay, this is such a fantastic day to be able to say thank you, because first of all, I'm overwhelmed with the amount of comments that we received on the announcement of the 2,000 hitting that phenomenal number, 2,000. It's mind-boggling to me, and it's so funny how a lot, some of you have mentioned, to 3,000. I cannot believe that 2,000 people have taken some time out of their day to spend it with me, be it every day or once in a while, but they hit that subscribe button, which enables me to have these type of celebrations with you, because a channel is only as strong or as good not only of the person who's taken the time to create, but the people that take the time to watch and then share within the comments with the creator. So for me, this has been an experience of a lifetime. It was something that, like I've mentioned before, that I did because I was not on social media. This was, a learning experience. It still is a learning experience. There's so much that you have to learn, and when I hit the 1,000, I was blown away, and I couldn't get my head around it. And after that, I didn't even start thinking about any other number, because the fact that I even hit the 1,000, I thought was absolutely spectacular. But what's really fantastic about YouTube is I wanted this platform to be one that I can share my knowledge and share the excitement that I have in reference to healthcare, beauty, fashion, jewelry, now the Truewants Needed bag. There's so many things that this has opened up for me that weren't even a thought, let alone a plan. So I'm going to say this, and I want everyone to, no matter what it is, be it a YouTube channel or moving or changing a job or starting a diet, whatever it is, take that first step, because you never know where that first step is going to lead you. And this has led me into meeting people that I don't think in my lifetime I would have ever had the opportunity to meet. And not only YouTube has such a reach that I have so many people that write to me that are not from the United States or not from, just North America, from Canada. I have all over the world, and it has opened my eyes up to the reach that our voices have. So I just want to make sure that everything that I'm sharing with you, I want you to know that it is from my heart, and it is products that I do enjoy. Or if it's something that ends up disappointing me, I want to know you guys to know about that as well, simply because that I have this channel and I have this voice now, and I have this opportunity to be able to share it with so many people. And like I said, thank you to all of you for taking any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. It means everything. All right. I don't want this to go on too long, because it took me a while to sit down and be able to gather all my thoughts with what I wanted to say, simply because I don't know how to say thank you enough. And that's why I try to do, giveaways here and there when I have, duplicate products and things like that. And I want to, focus that you guys understand that the time that you do choose to communicate with me through the comments, it is everything. Everything. All of us have a day that is filled. Prior to us even having a channel, let alone trying to create and then, communicate back and forth and research and find things. And like I said, everybody's lives are full. So when you add this element to it, I really didn't realize how much time this does take but the amount of enjoyment that it gives to others that you guys have expressed to me keeps me going and going. So your encouraging comments, your sweet comments, all of them, even if it's just good morning or hello, that I know someone out there is listening, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so the congratulations card is what you are going to receive in this package. When we did the pulling of the name, we have been getting, majority of my giveaways, I think, have been going to people that don't have channels. So when we pulled the one out this morning, it blew my mind that it was an actual channel. And it is somebody that I think we started around the same time, but our channels are very similar, a little similar, in the sense that I think we both have a passion for boxes. We both enjoy unboxing. We both enjoy people, and we both enjoy finding new things that we get to explore. The person that I'm talking about who won our giveaway is Arkansas Gals. And when I started watching her, we were both way under the 1,000 mark. And I don't know how she in one day gets done what this girl gets done. No matter how much I think I'm doing so much, when I see how much she uploads and her genuineness of trying new things in reference to YouTube, be it cooking now she's starting to do, but she always dabbled into a lot of different boxes. And I know she's somehow affiliated with Crate, which is a huge platform that gets you all of these different types of boxes. I'm really focused. So for me, this channel wasn't about being an unboxing channel. It really was that when I decided to get into, the Ipsy box or the BoxyCharm box, they had one box in one bag, and I was sharing that with you guys. I was sharing with you more about my ULTA experience because we didn't have ULTA, where I lived before. So, like I said, every experience that I have had the opportunity to enjoy and share, that's what this channel was about. So, her channel for me, when we found each other, was I couldn't believe that. I can never catch up with the amount of videos she does, put it that way. So if you have time and you're really not sure about a box or it could be a craft box, it could be a food box, it could be, she even sits in her car and will try the new McDonald's chicken sandwich, that you just saw on TV. She's already at the drive-through trying it for all of us. So like I said, she has been for me a treat. She also has a beautiful singing voice. There was a period of time where she was doing, I don't even know what you call it, a competition between another YouTuber that they were going back and forth singing to each other. What I'm telling you is she is so, she shares it all. So be it taking off makeup or trying, new things. And when I see, she's using something that I've had the opportunity to try and use, and I see that maybe it's not, she's not using it to what it should be, I'll leave it in her comments. So I share with that back and forth with her as well. So she also has a fantastic family and pets. Like I'm saying, it is mind-boggling how much she has. So her name is Arkansas Gals, and the reason it's Arkansas Gals is she was supposed to start it with her daughter, and then I think her daughter chose not to, and her daughter's a little bit younger, but you'll always see her daughter sometimes in the couch in the background reading a book or doing something. Like I said, she opens up her world to us. It's a really different type of channel than mine because I'm here to share with you about products and things like that. She shares it all. So if that's something that you guys would be interested in, I definitely would suggest strongly that you check out her channel because like I said, it always leaves me with a smile on my face. So, and like I said, she dabbles into everything. So to Arkansas Gals, congratulations. I cannot believe you are the winner of the 2K giveaway, considering I think we have been following each other really from before even the 1,000, like I said. So for me, this has, the fact that your name was the name that was pulled, it brought back a flood of memories, and I want to thank you for that because we've been growing, completely it's just been fantastic. So like I said, I'm really, really excited that this is a package you're going to get. On top of this, I'm going to add a little something in there because I don't think you've had the opportunity to try something from the Truewants Need It bags. So I'm going to put a little extra something in that for you. And that's it for today. So I just want to make sure that I will be in touch with you and leave in the comments down below of the video that you entered. I will mark in there that you're the winner. I will reach out to you on Instagram because I know we follow each other there. And then we'll finalize everything in an email for addresses and things like that. So once again, congratulations to Arkansas Gal. Thank you to everybody for being part of the growth of Truewants. I cannot thank you guys enough. And there's going to be a lot more giveaways, and please share your love in the comments down below. And like I said, if you have the opportunity to check out her channel, I will try to link that down below as well. All right. Once again, as always, you know how much I do truly appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is still very, very important that everybody, we continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Once again, congratulations, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.